we're here in Woodlands capturing the marketing for this beautiful property that we're bringing to market spring of 2026. Right behind me, we back onto Fish Creek, and I'm standing in the backyard, which is the perfect mix of peace and tranquility. We thought it would be wise to capture this property and its exterior in its purest form in these warmer months so that we can showcase it to anyone as we approach spring. If you or anyone you know has interest in this location specifically and a yard that feels this way, we would love to get you more information, connect, and turn some lights on to show you around. I'm Graham Kennelly, and I'm here for you.